one for the next phase. The RJ45 connection is now mounted to the base of the solving unit. Here's the controller enclosure, and these two RSJ, I think it's called RJ45, like Ethernet connectors, will connect into here. Then this perfboard then routes it to the PCA 9685. These set of leads just provide the power and the clock and data, and then these come back from the PCA 9685 into the control box, where the RGB and the LED for this button functions. Obviously all the rest of these connections will be used for the platform servo and for the servos which are used to manipulate the cube. So now I just have to mount this, and we can get testing.